Yeah. Alright guys, let me know if you can hear me. Alright, I see less people joining. I'll start by when a lot of people's like at least 2 or 3 joins in. Let's see. Yep, we're live and yep, still watching. The count is 0 at the moment and I see like still no one joined, so I'll kind of like start speaking so when like at least 5 people joins. So before that, let's look at the crypto bubbles over here. So yep, if you have joined the live, then you can see that I am right now in the website of cryptobubbles.net and I have like a lot of, you can see everything is in red at the moment except few Luna, Matic. Last time I was like talking about Matic being really bullish, but at the moment if you look at here, everything is red. So first of all, I'd like to like at least jump into CRO. So let's go into CRO and let's see what is the chart doing over here. So if you look at CRO, we are standing on 59. So I will as well try to do the Bitcoin charting as well. So let's see if I can see something relevant in those 2 graphs. So BTC, alright guys, let me know in the comment section if you're there, if you're watching. Let me know whatever you want to say or anything, like if you have some cryptos to analyze, then I'll do it for you. And if you look at BTC right now, we are standing on $48,000. So let's get started by simple things first. I don't see it's connecting as well. If I look at our Fibonacci, okay, from swing high level, okay, this connects well. Let's see what is happening over here. So Bitcoin is right now not doing bad, but after you saw that so we hit the price high on 68,873. After that we had this capitulation, and who would have thought like we would hit around like almost 42,000. That's insane. My target was around 48, but yeah, we went far below 48. But I think like we have our support on this golden zone. It's better if we don't cross 61% level. So 61.8% level, we want to stick to it, and that will be better for Bitcoin for upcoming time. If you look at Crowcoin, we are standing on 59. If you have bought the dip, we should have been like 16% up almost. So Crow actually is looking good. If you look at the previous highs, then I would say we shouldn't go below that. It was just a market panic. There was like several reasons why cryptocurrencies has dumped that bad. Number one, I would say that you have heard about the Feds, right? So Federal Reserve, they are buying the bonds, in the market. So for that, they are printing monies, and we have some kind of inflation in the market as well. That could be number one reason. Secondly is the new variant. There are a lot of uncertainty in the market. And the third one, you already know, there have been a lot of sales going on from the long-term traders. And of course, there are several reasons. A lot of cryptocurrency CEOs, they are going to meet the top officials. So we are standing on some kind of uncertainty at this time of the month. And overall, guys, if you are seeing this graph, you can actually write me messages so I can do the cryptos you want, so I can like analyze it here. So first of all, I will try to analyze CRO. Actually, this is my favorite crypto, and I have like almost 60% of my crypto wallet is of CRO. So if you want, you can write me any crypto, so I can like actually chart that. So yeah, you can see that CRO at the moment we are getting resistance at 0.236 level, so 60 cents around we have resistance. So I don't think we should go like below this. If we go, then yeah. Well, we already have a comment from Josie. His favorite crypto is CRO, my favorite too. Kind of good. So yeah, I was really surprised. I was sleeping last night and I thought like worst case scenario we would hit around like almost 48k, but when I woke up it was already down, like it hit around 42. So I was kind of like shocked. And there has been a lot of comments that crypto just crashed, and I just refreshed and I was like, what does it mean? So overall, yep, it was a good day. It's time for us to do some shopping. So if you look at these crypto bubbles, everything is in red except Luna, TFI, VGX, XTX, but my favorite is CRO, to be honest. So let's see about this CRO, how is it doing. So we got our strong support on 0.48. Oh, one more comment. So here Ragul, this guy was saying, what do you think about web3? So basically I think this is the future, and we should know more about this one. And I think like NFTs, web3, these are the future language for us, like how we will talk in the future. I also know about this time when a lot of people, if you know some of your friends, they don't actually speak the same languages as we speak. So we're like the early adopters, so we should be like in future getting more people so who would like speak the same language. So in that time you will see that more people will understand this kind of like, there will be more kind of more investors, and there will be more cryptos with a lot of use cases. If you look at Shiba Inu and other meme coins, you don't see like a lot of use cases, right? So things like this will disappear slowly. In 2017 and before that, you have seen a lot of cryptos which actually disappeared. If you go back into that time, those really disappeared. So which actually survived is one of them is Bitcoin. That is why the hype is with Bitcoin. You see like everything is going up and down with Bitcoin. So this is the reason, this is one of the reason that Bitcoin lasted from the beginning, and still today you see Bitcoin. So yeah, Josie, another comment from him. So do you think January, February are gonna be good months for CRO? Actually, I think from December 24, I'm really hopeful, because I think there will be a match on 25th of December. So from that time I see a lot of publicity and stuff will be happening, as well as say that I think a lot of people who staked, and there will be like 28 days period or 1 month period, so they will be getting out. So the people who will be choosing to get out with the profit, I don't think it will be a good decision for them, because end of the day this is the time where we should like accumulate more, do some, you know, like get some more into the wallets to maximize the profit. So having said that, guys, we all know, maybe you have missed the session, the beginning of part, so I will like say again that there are several reasons for this. You know, if you look at this dump, this is not actually legit. These are legit. Actually, this downtrend is legit. This is complete panic sale, and these are like the greedy investors. You can see over here, these are actually, I'm showing CRO, I should show you the BTC chart. So over here you can see these are not legit. So these are from insiders. You have seen that in my previous videos. I have mentioned that 100 millions of bitcoins has been sold from long-term traders, and also there will be a lot of CEOs from Binance and other companies, and they will be meeting top officials of US to decide the future of cryptos, because you know a lot of stakings are happening, and they should like have some kind of reliability where they have to show why actually Feds can trust cryptos, you know. Because if you look at world's reserve currency, I think after 20 years it will be, cryptos will be seen as reserved currencies. So 20 years before, like maybe not 20, like 2006, you shouldn't have thought about buying something with crypto. But of course that Bitcoin pizza thing is something different. But over here I see like after 20 years you can do a lot of things, even buy cars and a lot of things. You can do it now, but after 20 years it will be much more easier. So this will be known as reserve currency, I hope, in the future. So the people who are getting into cryptos right now will be the winners. So if I look at like back in 2020 March, you will see we had a big drop in crypto. So first of all, let's read the comments. So Ragul, he says that's when the official changes take place. Yep. Can you talk about algo? Yep, of course. Gemini, yeah, Gemini, he said like, can you talk about algo? Of course, hidden gem. So and Josie, after CRO, what is your second favorite coin? Okay, I'll go by one by one. So first of all, what I was saying, that here you had this huge capitulations, and because of cryptocurrency, stock market, everything was going down because of this you know, how to say, new variant. At that time it was the beginning. Everyone thought, okay, this is the end of this world, everything. Also me, like I also thought, okay, something different. And I think like we're gonna have recessions, we're gonna have food problems, supply chain problems, and everything dropped. And same thing here, Feds are buying a lot of bonds, so everything is going down. You can see and the interest rate will go up, and you'll see like everything will slowly go down. Fed will print lots of money into the year. So it's all rumored that we'll have recession. If we have, then we will see it. But if I show you Dow Jones and SPX graph, you will see that it's just a normal move. So over here, as I mentioned, like I will go to like 1-day chart so you will understand more. So this is the time, friends, to actually accumulate. So we have these lows, that is why we have these highs, right? So this is the time where we should get the most, and this is the time where we should like sell everything. And if you look at this huge straight point to the ground, this is not normal. As I mentioned, these things are, so you should be careful. So we might see some time to get back. If we don't get back with rally, then I think if we get back like straight up, then I think there will be one more dip coming around 40,000. So I cannot deny that's very worst case scenario is 40,000, because last time I was saying 48. Last time I was saying my worst case is 48, but it's dipped like more than that because of this kind of abnormal sell-offs. So, and if you have heard of El Salvador, this guy is a genius. He's always buying the dip. You have seen, right? El Salvador. I love this guy. So over here, so what was the question? I will go by one by one. Can you talk about algo? Yeah, sure. So I'll finish CRO. So this thing, I think afterwards, if we can break down this level, I see some kind of capitulation over here. Yeah, this level I see like little bit resistance in 236 because of BTC. Yeah, because of BTC I see this happening over here. We should be going up if BTC goes up, because we're totally influenced. CRO right now is totally influenced by BTC. So if it goes up, it will move up and down with it. But having said that, guys, this this level is really important. If we fall down below 48, then I think like it will be an issue, because it will be like more than 100% drop before previous push. You can see previous push was from 48 cents. So if we go below 48 cents, then it will be bad for basically CRO. But I don't think BTC is going that far unless we have another unexpected shootout, you know, FUDs in the market. So let's go into Algorand. And also I've mentioned like my 60% portfolio is covered with CRO, and I see it's easily $1 mark from here. So I know a lot of it, you brought it on 54 this dip, or even 52. So let's see Algorand. Okay. So yeah, Algorand is actually hidden gem. I know one of my friend, actually a good friend, he brought Algorand maybe on cents. Right now it's on how much? Yeah, 1.63. He brought it dips like really long ago. It was my suggestions, and he took out his profit few days ago when he saw like 180 something. He took out his profit and went to, you know, some island to enjoy. So for him I felt really good, because he can buy the dip now. So you can see over here 168, and let's analyze this graph of Algorand. So let's see. Okay, not USD, let's USDT. Let's do it with USD. That's better. Coinbase. 200-day DMA is above us, so it will be easy for us to reach 184 again, guys. We are so cheap with Algorand right now. I cannot make Fibonacci over here because this is totally fake out, and it's totally BTC scenario. I don't want to talk about this. So wow, I should make some fib over here. Wow. So what can you see over here, guys? All right, so we are trying to bounce back from 164. So I think, yeah, we will get some support on 382. So that means 61.28% will hold. Probably we are having some kind of resistance over here. You can see, you saw like CRO had this resistance as well. So it's just because of BTC influence. If you see, yep, BTC doing the same thing, same thing. Yeah, 2 candles up, 1 down, same thing. You see, same thing with BTC, guys. Algorand is also heavily influenced by BTC. So yeah, and if you look up on some RS index, wow. EMA. So let's see about RS index, what it has to say. So RS is on 41. So we are not overbought, we are not even like oversold as well. So we triggered from this position, which was, wow, $1.39. Algorand was on sale, guys. This is good. Okay, so let's read out some comments. Mr. Duffy, he said like, dude, seen so many videos of you. Well, my pleasure. You make me positive even darkest hours. Well, man, this is the time actually what we learned from back in September 2020. Yeah, March 2020. Sorry, when this disease came in. I don't want to name it over here. If in this disease came in, everybody thought we're done, right? So stock market from everything went down. So this is the exact time when new variant came in, everything went down, recession. This is the same exact thing, you know, recession and everything is coming, they're saying, but I don't think so, you know, like we are still this is a very good position. We will slowly move up. I will be really happy if it rallies and then goes up, because more it rallies, the support will be more stronger and we will hold our position in upwards, you know, upwards direction. Otherwise, if we go directly very soon towards upward direction, I'm telling you, we will have 40,000 very soon. So that's also one thing we have to look at. So there's one other guy. Yeah, I saw this guy's comment, you know, a few days ago. Joe Gill, what's your favorite indicator? Well, I would say I believe in simplicity, so Bollinger Bands will be my favorite indicators. RSI, I always look at RS and also MACD. These are the basics, you know. When you're in doubt, you should zoom out and do only the basic thing. So the most basic is the trend lines. So in that case, if you're still in doubt, you should use like Bollinger Bands, so that will help. Other than that, I mostly use MACD, RS, so those are my favorite. And these days I started using Ichimoku. I don't use that very much because, you know, a lot of you commented in the comment box that everybody uses that, you should too, so I use this one. So having said that, guys, so here was the part of Algorand. If you have something to tell me, you can write down in the comment section, chat section. You can write down your favorite cryptos. I will analyze. So let's look at the bubble Luna. This is my third favorite crypto, Luna. This will go to moon, guys. Of course it is going to moon. We're out of the cloud, guys. Look at this. Oh, let's use trend-based Fibonacci. That's my favorite. Okay, let's look at this manipulation. Wow, when I remember, like last day I made a video when it was around 60s and said like it will go towards like 50s. Yeah, wow, it went to 50s actually. Okay, somebody commented as well, can you look at Luna? Well, Shukri, I am actually looking at Luna. It's one of my favorite. Holy, wow, savage. Holy, yeah, Floki. Well, guys, there's one guy, Sarah Klassen. Well, I want to talk about one thing, is about those meme coins. I don't actually trust them because, first of all, I go to very basics. Is this providing some kind of useful or like if it provides some useful tools, or if it's helping people, you know, or if it's like if it's taking some kind of revolution, you know. So if I think about that, this meme coins doesn't do anything to the society, doesn't give anything to the society. It's just the hype. You talk about Floki, you talk about Shiba Inu. Dogecoin is something different because from 2017 it's still in the market. So Dogecoin, I would say it's something else. Right now Dogecoin is acting as altcoin. It might sound weird, but it is because of the market cap. But other than that, if you look at every other meme coins, you know, look at this. I have never heard of this kind of meme coins, Shiba Elon. I even heard of those kind of meme coins. You saw what? Elon Musk's farm, 3x long something. Oh yeah, 3x long shit coins. Oh my god. These guys are like so weird. How can they come up with this kind of names, you know? Yeah, more comments. Wow. trade my $20 with Ethereum and BTC into Luna. Well, I think Luna is going to the moon, but it depends on you, Mr. Duffy. Yeah, it depends on you. When you got time, please take a look at Gala. Yeah, I will do it next because you have requested. So after Luna, I will go next with Gala. Don't FOMO into Luna. Wow. Yeah, I will analyze Luna and I will tell you. But first of all, this meme coins doesn't mean anything to me. I don't invest in meme coins anymore. Even though I have made a lot from Shiba, from Elon, Dogecoin, Mars, I have made a lot, but you have to always be with the graph. You know where you have to go in and where you have to sell. So let's see. So Luna, yeah, it's looking good. And if you look at here, we are going towards, we have crossed, oh yes, we're taking some kind of rejection on 786. So let's look at my indicators. I will turn off Ichimoku because I don't like this. I'm just using it because some guys over there just suggesting me to do it. So yep. Also, yeah, let's see RS. So RS is on 63. I think it's good. RS is looking good. MACD is, yeah, wow, MACD is getting connected. So let's go to 1 hour chart so I will know better. Yeah, we are getting some kind of pullback. So look, guy, whoever, yeah, Mr. Duffy, you talked about Luna, right? Right now you can see we are having a pullback because of this. We got rejected from 786. Not rejected, I would say, like it's kind of pullback because we just broke previous resistance. You see over here previous resistance. We might see 67 and then push towards upward direction. I think, yeah, it must be. Let's go to 1 hour chart and then I will tell you what to do. Whoa, man, 72. I think if you go into Luna right now, even though if it goes to $100, I won't suggest, because personally I won't get into Luna at this moment because my indicators is suggesting it's overbought. So I don't know, it's up to you, man. So I see, like, if it was around this position, you just missed the spot. Let's look how deep it went. Whoa, 49. Shit, man, you, Mr. Duffy, you have missed this one. Yeah, for sure. 49. Yeah, we reached almost. Yeah, let's see how much we made over here. Okay, almost 50% gain. Wow, you missed the chance, guy. So let's move on with something else. Luna is done. But in the theory, will I get more out of Luna 220? I don't know, it depends on you, as I mentioned. So I always miss the spot. Yeah, it seems you have missed. So let's go with Gala. Yeah, I have seen a lot of requests from this morning. Guys, like, I'm a little bit nervous because this is first time coming live, so I'm like so nervous. That is why I'm like sticking. So yeah, Coinbase I don't like. And let's see, Binance could be good. Yeah, so let's go with Gala. I think Gala 4 hours, 2 hours will be better. I will do some Bitcoin charting and let's see if it follows the Bitcoin or not. So Bitcoin, I will clear everything and I will go to 1 hour chart for you. So you can see, wow, strong push towards upward direction. That's very good for Bitcoin. This is so good. This is really good. We should rally from this direction and slowly go towards upward direction. Shooting star. So from here, okay, so you see like 3 red wicks. I think it's just kind of getting out of BTC influence. That's really good. Is it 1 hour? Yeah, that's good. So we are getting out slowly from BTC influence. So Gala is looking good, guys. and here we had 40, now 51. So let's see how much we push towards upward direction. 43%. This guy also missed the dip today. So 43%, but I would say like 52 cents is good for GALA if I look at my basic indicators. Oh man, 1 hour. Okay, we are going deep. Maybe you haven't missed it. Oh, I would say like, okay, it will be good for GALA, but I would say like my first choice will be Crowcoin, you know. But having said that, GALA is also looking so good. You didn't miss the dip, but we might see some kind of capitulation, like, sorry, not capitulation, one pullback, small pullback towards 47. If it goes to 47, you're lucky. Yeah, I think 47 is coming. That's, I don't know, it depends on you. So what am I doing now? So yeah, I think like it will have a pullback towards 47. At least I'll be happy if it comes to 47, because we have broken the resistance level. That means downtrends might be over, and slowly if we can make higher highs, slowly, you see, lower highs. So yeah, that's really good. This will be good. So yeah, GALA is good right now. So because we have gotten out of ourselves, we are now going towards our first pullback towards 47 cents, and slowly we will move back towards upward direction. Okay, Savage, you're doing good, don't worry. Thanks man, my pleasure. Love your price prediction videos, man. Marlocks loans, yeah, love your price prediction videos, man. Hope you gain more subs. Thanks man, I feel really happy. Actually now I'm like really nervous. This is my first live. So I'm like really nervous. So be yourself, my guy, doing a great job. Phenom, yeah, Phenom1, man, I'm loving you guys like commenting. So dude, don't be, I have watched all of your CRO videos and others lately. When I'm at work, I just put on your videos. And I like podcasts and chill at work. Oh my god, really dude. Okay, Mr. Duffy, you made my day. That's good. GALA or CRO would you say? I think like, dude, GALA and CRO both are good, but if it comes back towards 47, 48, then it's lucky chance for you. But if Bitcoins, look at this guys, if Bitcoins simply go towards upward direction directly, then we'll have one more pullback towards 40,000. That's textbook theory, guys. But I would be really happy if I see we slowly capitulate, slowly rally and go towards upward direction. That will be better. So GALA is also good. Okay, so GALA. Okay, let's see which comment I have missed. So yes, love the live stream, bro. Sam Aaron, I love you too, bro. Been waiting for this to happen. Nice, Sam. So looking good, Mr. Duffy. I bought like at the VVS this much VVS. Oh, VVS weeks ago. Can you talk about VVS? Well, I have to talk about VVS. Yes, this is the thing I want to talk about. Adam, you are my man. Thanks man. Savage. GALA is the only coin that I'm up on still. Lol. Yeah, GALA is looking good, guy. So if it coming back to 47, 48, this is also a good position to get into GALA. For me actually, I'm not giving like financial advice, it depends on you. Let's go Superman. Wow. So Jim, you're doing great. Thank you, Jim. Veronica, post the video, I missed the first part. Which video, Veronica? Let's go BTC 50k maybe. Yeah, 50k I can expect. Malka, hi sir. What about SHIB? Well, I have mentioned about meme coins. I'm slowly getting out of meme coins, you know, no use cases at this time of the year. We should focus on more coins that's serious, you know. Meme coins right now can destroy us, so I am more into like altcoins with more use cases. For example, Crowcoin, GALA is one of the best also Ethereum, Bitcoin. These are the cryptos which have most use cases. Solana. But if you get into meme coins right now, you're in trouble. You should get more into more serious coins, because this is the highly volatile time and meme coins can disappear within a blink of your eyes. So this is my opinion. I don't know, man. You might have some good investments in sheep. So you're the man, Adam. Okay, I have maybe read it. Jim, I have read yours. Malka, Marlex, Gotcha. Okay, AJ. So this guy is saying it's 3:38 a.m. in India. I set an alarm to watch your videos. Wow, AJ, thanks, man. It's 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. over here, and it's snowing outside. It seems really good, and I'm watching and doing live. It's good. I'm afraid, guys, we go down to 44k. Well, let's see how BTC does. Who was it? It was Superman. Yeah, Veronica. This one, I still don't understand this one. How much BTC will dip more? Malka, more. Veronica, did we miss zero dip? Well, I would say yes, definitely. At least we missed at least we missed Luna. Yeah, we saw it last time. Can you talk a bit about news on Fed's regulation? Yeah, of course. So, opinion. Thanks, I like your opinion. Malka, Delvin, this is a new guy. Your favorite Gala ETC Crow coin? Well, look, I have 60% of my wallet full of Crow because I have staked some. So this is not financial advices, because I wanted the card. And also about Gala, I'm planning to buy the node. You know what I mean? Because I'm saving up for this dip for a long time if I get some profit out of it, because I believe this is the perfect dip over here. If I get some profit out of this direction, maybe Bitcoin hits 77,000, I take out from profits and I buy some Gala nodes and I do my magic over there. So yes, I think I have read all the comments, guys, so it's good. So let's talk about Fed. So what happens, these Feds are always after Bitcoins because they are thinking all the money they are going into these blockchains and these cryptocurrencies that you can launder easily. You can take out money from US to a country like, for example, Mexico without even a clue. So having said that, the Feds are definitely after cryptos. They don't like it because it's unregulated. These are deflationary. But having said that, US dollars are reserved currencies right now, right? Everybody agreed. You agreed, I agreed to exchange US currencies. So what US did is, when they needed some money, they sold their bonds. China, everyone actually took the bonds. So right now what US wants is to buy back those bonds which they actually made. So they are like buying the bonds out and they are like printing so much money, and they want to regulate crypto as well, put some taxes on that. So what it will cause, like, lot of big bulls, they are afraid they might take out their money out of somewhere, or they might be trusting something. You can see that USDT is full right now. The market cap is going up and up for Tether. Yeah, here USDT. If you look at USDT market cap, look at this market cap, 3 months. You see it's going slowly towards upward direction. So they are like filling it up. So overall what happens, like, if there are fears everywhere, so people are reserving money, they're thinking of inflation and everything. So this is why I think like even the stock market is going down. So it's accumulating everything. These are the time of uncertainty. So in uncertain time, actually you cannot think of any use cases. You cannot think of some best cases or worst cases. You just see what happens. You should have to go with the flow. This is what happened with 2008 recession. We didn't know anything about it. We just had to go with the flow. Thankfully we recovered. And also about last pandemic panic, we can see that the Bitcoin at that time, how much it was. Let's see Bitcoin. Oh man, I just don't like this. It's always showing me some different things. So let's go over here. Let's see how much was the price. So it was around May, April, May. Yeah, it was March. I clearly remember. So I will also share one story with you guys about me dropping crypto back in 2013 when I thought it was overpriced, and I was so silly because I was listening to the guys who have nothing to do with crypto. That's so silly. So over here you see, from almost 9,400 last year March, it fell down towards 5,000, almost, no, not even 5,000, 4,000. Yeah, 4,000 on average. If you have gotten Bitcoin in 4,000, can you imagine like how much wealth you would have been making right now? But at that time people thought Bitcoin is overpriced. This is the same thing happening now. People are thinking like Bitcoin is overpriced. That is why you see a lot of bulls getting out of it. So yeah, so Marlocks, one more comment. Do you think it would be best to get rid of current loser coins at a loss and use that to get top coins, or just let that sit? Okay, yeah, I kind of got it. So you meant like if you're gonna drop those coins which are actually in loss. But I don't know which coins you have brought. It depends on different things, different context. Because if you see over here, like I have gotten out of Shiba. I'm really thankful for that, because I have also made a lot fortune from Shiba. So I don't recommend anyone to buying. You can be like bankrupt. So every coin, I don't know which coin you have brought, but every coin will follow BTC right now. Every cryptocurrencies will follow BTC, and for that you will see that it will be going up with BTC. So I don't think like it will be wise. You will lose some, win some. If you trade now, you might be losing more, because this all chart will be green after, I think, like after this month, from January you will see this all getting into greens. So I'm super hopeful. So over here, so what's next? So guys, you can comment your favorite cryptos. I'll try to analyze, and also let's look at bubble. So what is my favorite crypto after that? You see Dash. I remember of 2017, a lot of people was saying about Dash will be one of the top. XRP will outperform Bitcoin. They just disappeared, guys. So XRP, look at now, XRP is on number 8 position. It will, maybe next bull run, it will even like next crypto bubble, it will disappear. I don't know, depends on XRP, but I'm just giving one example. You don't see Dash these days in the top, right? It was one of the top. So a lot of the coins you see over here, for example, I'm not talking about Dogecoin. I don't know where this is coming from, where this is going. I know it's a meme coin. It was made as a joke. I know all of this, but I have no idea where this is going, because last time I saw it within top 10. I see it this time within top 10, and I see a lot of coins which was about to compete with Bitcoin. They disappeared, but this thing is still here. I think it's just because of our Elon Musk genius. So I see one more comment from Jim. Very nice to see. He just started to understand graphs after 2 weeks. I'm really happy for you. Actually, guys, I think graphs can talk. Actually, you can see if you implement Fibonacci, if you believe in maths, you can see everywhere where graph is going. It can actually talk to you. You know where to get in, you know where to get rid of it, you know where are your highs. Because if you simply look at BTC, and if you just understand the very basic, you will see that it was the peak. Actually you can get it that this was the peak if you do trend base. I will show you how. So if you do trend base from this top to low, look at this. So if I zoom in, this actually graphs are so powerful that you see we got rejected from 1.618. So this was the time when a lot of people saw that we got rejected twice and they started dropping. So from one is the trend line, very basic, and if you use this kind of tools you will see that this was our peak. We got rejected several times from here. This is just 1 day graph. If you look at 4 hours, it's more clear over here. So that's the point when downtrend actually started, and late now we have this kind of really bad situation. So having said that, let's go with the graphs. Whoa, mana, wow, this is one of my favorite mama. So metaverse cryptos, they are also in my watch list. For example, mana is one of top coins, but it depends. These projects are totally depending on mana. Sorry, what am I saying? Metaverse, these projects are depending on metaverse. So mana, sandbox, these are depending on metaverse project. So how that goes, so if they are like going to the moon, so those projects, I mean, doing well, so these cryptocurrencies will do well, because few days ago I read a news saying that the CEO of that metaverse CEO resigned. So that could be a reason to, you know, drag those cryptocurrencies towards downward direction, and we'll find someone better for that, because it's a huge project and I'm pretty sure these coins will do well. Mana is one of my favorite, and it's in the watch list. So sand as well. Matic, whoa, got $200 left, and where should I invest? Okay, Mr. Duffy, good night, man. I love your comment, keep it up. Okay, man, good night. So here is Fred. So Fred asked like about mana, sand, and Matic. So I will talk about Matic after talking about sand. Sand is one of my favorite. We have big opportunity to gain the most out of it, and I think we're still having the dip for mana. Let's see. So our 50 days moving average is acting as support, and 200 days is acting as our resistance. So this is okay. I might be wrong over here. Let's see. Let's change the color to yellow so it will be much more clear. So yep, so over here 50 days acting as our support, 200 days as resistance. We should get into 450 very soon, and I think this was, yeah. So mana is good. I think like we hit almost, wow, $2.60, and it ended up $3.17. Wow, it was a very good sale for mana. You should have actually, I should have actually got more into. I missed mana as well. Wow. How can I miss this one? Wow, it was a very good price. Actually, I did other shoppings as well, so I'm happy. I'm not regretting. But yeah, this was something good. Mana is still on sale. I think last time I said it has the capability go towards $8. So if we are at 4, so we could actually do even more. Let's see where we are going. Okay, from here I can expect $6, and yeah, I can expect $8.10. Maybe in February, March, it's like almost 100% profit. If somebody would have like gotten the dip, then I say let me calculate how much you should get. Almost 160% gain. This is really good. Mana is super, it's doing good. I have sand as well, my top gainer at the moment. Marlocks. Wow. Yeah, Sand is also a good one. Mana, Sand. These are one of my favorites as well. Mohammed said BTC next move will be C56 or 38k. Okay. 56. Let's go to BTC and see what's happening with BTC. 38k is so no, I don't think 38k. Oh my god, can you imagine if BTC hits 38? Where is my pointer? So I can see my point is 44. Why is that? Let's go to weekly charting, clear everything. So 38k guys, 38k. I cannot imagine this will be something really bad. Okay, wow, this is really good guys. If you look at BTC over here, yeah, that's my boy. So here we closed for the day above how much? Above 48. So this is really good. If we can continue to do so, we have a very good chance, very good chance to even move towards higher direction. Oopsie. Let's check out over here, disconnect. So yeah, if we can actually go slowly from here, it's very good. 38. No man, I don't think 38 will drag us somewhere else. That will be worst case, very worst case. There will be a lot of people getting out of crypto, you know, they won't even invest next time. I think like next target will be around 78, maximum 84. Next move maybe March, April. So I'll be really glad. And if it goes below 40, yeah, if it goes below 40, OMG, then we are going to hit 29,000. I don't think 38 is playing, because if we are going to 38, next move is 29. So I don't think that's going to play, because it will be extreme fear. Something is going to change then. I think we're going to bounce back maximum from 40,000. So that's better. So let's get into the comments, guys. Where do you see Crowcoin next 2 weeks? Well, it's really hard to say where Crowcoin will be in next 2 weeks. Already I'm like super bullish on Crowcoin. I want to see this going to $1 easily. So I don't know, maybe it will take around January or something, because from 25th we have a match in the stadium. So from then we'll have a huge advertising throughout the world. So I'm hopeful about Crowcoin. And also please, not 38 Marlocks. Yeah, man, I was thinking like if it hits 38, I'll be the first guy to become a millionaire. And I'll be regretting buying on 44,000. Man, no, it was not 44. Yeah, it was 44. Wow. Yeah, I'll be regretting buying everything on 44,000, and I will know. I don't know, man. I will even quit cryptos. So I don't know. What do you think about Crow? Well, I have mentioned Gianluca. Okay, I'll repeat, like, yeah, Crow is good, man. I see from February you can have some good gains out of Crowcoin. So what I want to share was my story once BTC was around like 9,000. Yeah, 9,000 or something, and somebody said like, okay, you should sell all of your Bitcoins and stuff because these things are going to zero. Actually, at that time I was a noob. And what I did, I was like very interested in minings and stuff. I was passionate about XRP and stuff. I had a lot of XRPs. It was very cheap price. I had some, good portfolios, and somebody said that who had never invested in crypto. So I actually panicked and sold everything. And today I actually regret. Yeah, to be honest, I regret. Those were the days. So you can see, wow, Terra is going up, Luna is going up, USD stable coins are going up, guys. Yeah, you can let me know about what you want me to analyze, so I will try to analyze those things for you. And let's look at bubbles. Mana is good. Let's go to sand. So sand, first of all, let's look at our first okay, so our 9 days, I will cross out 9 days. EMA, I will go with DMA. So DMA is like for 50 days it's acting as our support, but 200 days, I don't care about 200 days anymore. So we should get into this position. Yeah, 6.5 very soon. Yeah, we are getting back slowly. This is very good that, guys, one thing is very good that we are getting out of BTC influence, so it's kind of very good sign. So this is what should happen, and we should like get out of it very soon as possible. So from here 6.1. Okay, we are in important Fibonacci level. We are on 61786. We crossed this position as well. Okay, if we can get out of this position, right now we are on 6.1, right? Yeah, 6.1. If we can get out of this point, then I think next stop will be 748. And what about RS index? So RS, wow, RS is good, looking good at 44. Let's see for the 1 day. 1 day is also on 61. Okay, so sand is looking good. Next stop is $7. That's good. That's good. So Mohammad Zakar, yeah, you really doing a great job. Thanks, man. What do you think about Crow? I've read that. Yeah, let's move on further. Let's read about some more comments and let's move on slowly. So I will read out the comments right now, so you can actually comment whatever you like, whichever crypto you like. Volta, I haven't heard of that. Let's see. Oh, I have to talk about VVS. Yeah. Voltage, market cap. Wow, I think nothing about it. I see no market cap supply, guys. I'm sorry, who was that? Veronica, I'm sorry. I don't see anything about voltage over here. No market cap showing unless it shows market cap and stuff. I think it's not available in TradingView, charting as well. Volta, I'll try to search and I will do if it's here. Sorry. Oh, let me search again. Volta. Okay, sorry, we don't have Volta over here, so I'm sorry because yeah, it's not available. Let's see what's next. LRC, loop ring. Nice, I'm getting into loop ring. Okay, next up is Marlock's Flux. I would see Flux. Thanks, I'm trying to figure that out. Jim, lol, red flag, no way. Volta charge company. Yeah, I know, like these energy companies will do well, but we have to see we cannot invest right now in anything, guys. So first of all, we have to see the market cap, we have to see the projects, and then we can decide, because this is critical time, and I think you should not waste your wealth in some that has actually no future. At least you should choose something which are established in the market at the moment to get the most out of it. So yeah, where was I? Niche was saying he or she wants LRC, so let's move on with LRC. I know a lot of people who made fortune with LRC, so I'm good. I feel really good to see this. LRC is on sale. Wow. Well, it didn't move that much. It got influenced by BTC very heavily. Yeah, exact same move with BTC, I guess. BTC, Bitcoin, USD. Oh no, coin market cap again. So right now 4 hours. Yeah, exact same. Yep. So this has still a big influence on from BTC. So LRC, I don't think like it will do whatever BTC does right now. So this is the same. You look at BTC, you look at LRC, it's the same. If Bitcoin goes up, this will go up unless it, you know, goes sideways from BTC. So this is good. And I think last time I was looking into this and I said $4 is my target up next. Of course, after the BTC dump, it actually, you know, see, lower lows every time, lower lows, and we dropped. It's actually following BTC. So if BTC goes up, just think that you have like small BTC over here. So if BTC goes up, this will eventually go up, no tension. And let's see some other ones. LRC is done. Flux, let's go into Flux. Flux over here. Well, market cap is 310 million. The circular supply is more over here. Okay. Okay, this is doing bad. Let's see. Whoa. Actually, technically it's bearish, but if it falls below, it's already 90% down. So if it falls below 129, I think it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. It already hit the ground. So you should look at 163. If it can cross 163, then it has future. Other than that, I see like, I don't know, man. The graph doesn't look good because you see lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So after hitting higher lows, then we hit like lots of lower lows. This graph doesn't look good, at least. So Mohammed, suggest me a coin for long term to make 500 into 5k. Oh my god. Well, I can suggest you a lot of things because I think you missed the tip. I don't know even if you haven't, but I personally invest in a lot of things. So if you want to invest 500, you should think about long term. That is when you can gain some, but I cannot say specifically this coin will gain this much because you can see over here. I'll show you something. So after this I will talk about Matic, but let me clear this one out. Cardano had a long future, but right now the way Cardano is going, I'm not that satisfied. Solana is really good. So you can choose Solana, but I don't know how far it's going. But Solana, Crow coins, these are my favorite. Solana is insane, so you can actually try. So if I had like this much bucks, so I would have gone with Solana or Crow coin. These are absolute my favorites. So yeah, you should decide of yourself. Veronica says thank you, my pleasure. Marlocks, now would be the best time to invest. Really good, I think so. Yeah, Savage, Bitcoin going up, that's good. Veronica, you're awesome, thank you. Phil, check request please. Yeah, request, and then let's do Matic first and then request, because dude, I have hell of a ride with Matic. I have to share. First let me read out the comments. Phil, check out request. Yeah, I will. Niche. Okay, Niche is saying thanks for checking. I got LRC 271 last week. It looked like it might break out any day. Yeah, of course. If BTC goes out, look Niche, if BTC goes towards upward direction, we just saw LRC will go definitely towards upward direction. Just think that LRC is a mini Bitcoin you have right now, so it has good future. Don't worry about it. So Hero, Meta Hero, yeah, of course I'll look into that. Damn, all right, thanks bro. Marlocks, okay. Marlocks, oh yes. Matic please. Yep, of course. What do you like? What do you like? Solana, and what else bro? Phil, Barcelona. Okay, let me do Matic first, Phil, and then I will come to you and Marlox as well. So yeah, also let me do Matic first. Yeah, guys, so Matic, yesterday if you remember the video, I mentioned it was flying to the moon. Even BTC was crashing, right? It was flying to the moon. And if you see somewhere, we had head and shoulder, and I thought, I didn't thought, I see that it was going to 250. It went to 227, and I thought of, like, you know, short selling, and I thought like, okay, let's do some game over here. All of a sudden I forgot, and then it saved me, otherwise I would have like lost 1,000 right now. So because it just crossed over from a head and shoulder pattern, you can see over here I showed you that it was around 190. Yeah, it was around $2, and the target was, I clearly remember, target was 250, and I was about to get in, but thankfully I forgot. BTC went down, and this thing went down as well. So this is all massacre happened because of BTC. Otherwise Matic is gonna moon. Whatever BTC is doing, Matic is on the moon. So it's just because of panic, so nothing else. BTC going down, everything, blah blah blah. So it's just because of that. Matic, I like Matic personally. So if I look at this graph, let me check how far I can expect this to go. Yeah. Let's look at our indicators. RS index is on 56. Okay, so over here you can see we are standing on $1.98, and from here we got rejected on 786. Wow, 786. No, we didn't get rejected, BTC crashed. So that means we still have possibilities to go towards long way. Yeah, so from here, so 200 days is saying we are on 175. This is shit graph. Wait a second, guys, let me clear out my graph, because sometimes trading views just gives me panic. Okay, now it seems good. Okay, yep, we're getting it. Okay, yeah, $2.05. I think we are good over here. 50. Okay guys, from here I think Matic next target will be around $2.19. It's looking good right now. 198 still on sale. Yeah, Matic is on sale, 219 easily. It's just 20 cents difference, but I would say like, yeah, 239. Yeah, that will minimum 242 will break their resistance. Easy 243. Yeah, how it was 343, let me check. %. Okay, we should go above that. Just a second, guys. Yeah, that will take us like 20%. So it's easy, $2.49 for Matic. Yeah, my target is $2, around 40, not 49, $2.40 around. This is my target for Matic. It's like one of the top projects. Google, like I heard like some kind of news that Google actually heavily invested in Matic, but I don't know how much true it is. So let's see from here. Really, what kind of music? Okay, yeah, I'm just reading out the comments over here. I don't think it's the music, it's the mic is low. I can really hear his voice. Oh, you guys cannot hear my voice, so okay. So guys, let me know in the comment box that do you guys really like, is it clear? Should I make the music little bit down, the volume? So what do you think about that? It's fine really, the music is ace. Okay, just put the music a bit down. Okay, I'll do that just a bit. Okay, music go down. What about now? What do you guys think? I think it should be nice. It should be good now. So let me go a little bit up. Yeah, so do you guys like, is there any background music right now? Yes or okay, let me continue. So I was with Polygon, so Polygon is looking good in my sense. If BTC doesn't do another trick with us, then I think like we're good over here. So Matic is looking good. If we are back to normal, I think Monday will be the crucial day, because everything, stock market and everything will, you know, start to at least start to move. Everyone is it's like the first day of the week. So yeah, Monday will be the day you should look at. If Monday you see like volumes are going down, then it's a clear indication that we might see another dip. If Monday we like click and we start to go towards upward direction, then I think like we are going to have this was the dip, then we are going to have another bull run. So this was the dip if Monday goes well. So let me read out the comments first and then I will continue, guys. Okay, so yeah, I was looking into Polygon. Haha Kitty, Polygon. Yeah, I was looking into Polygon. J Touch. It's, I think putting the music down would help a lot. Yes, I put the music down. Do you guys hear the music right now? Just say something like yes or no. Like, is there any background music? So Martin, yeah, Kitty, Polygon, yes. Robert, this was one big bull trap shaking out the weak hands. Yeah, I actually think the same, that if you look at this in psychological way, every time, you know, you cannot just, you know, analyze the graph. You have to think psychologically that this is the beginning of the month. Everybody was thinking like to take out the money for the Christmas, and also the people who actually get the salary between 1st and 10th of the month, they were thinking like, okay, they're gonna have something before the Christmas, take out the money, or even they need money before 10th of December, so they will take out. So big bulls, they might have some kind of trap right now that they just dropped everything. So the weak hands, the retail traders or the newbies, they will sell over here. They will actually buy from the top and they will sell over here. So it has two scenarios. So first of all, it will shake off all the newbies who are not strong enough to survive in crypto world, but those after the dip who will stay, they're gonna stay till the end of crypto bull run. So those are the guys, even if they are newbies, they will gonna end up in the top, I'm pretty sure. So this was, maybe it was the dip like for like 2020 March. If it's the same, then I think like we are going to the moon again. So this can be a reason. I agree totally. So yeah, let's read the comment. So Robert is saying buy Crow and watch the moon. Yeah, I agree. My favorite is like Crow coin. Haha, Polygon, yes. Evergrow. So yep, Andre. Yeah, Andre. I'll talk about Evergrow for sure. Yes, Polygon Matic looking good. Kitty. Hey dude, Martin, who's your kitty? Lol. Major dip before parabolic movement. Yeah, it happened the same. We had this parabolic movement in 2017, and then it was a dip before, and then we had this parabolic move. So I was looking to graph and I was thinking like, we didn't had the same move as 2017, whether we should have that kind of move. If we have that kind of parabolic move, we would definitely see which one is the actual top of this bull run, you know. Veronica, yes, there is background music, a little lower will be better. I agree with Jay. Okay, Veronica, thank you very much. I would just wanted to know if there was background music. Yep, I will make it a little bit down. KD, I believe this dip was for FUD investors. Actually, people panicked while Wales Bank acquires positions. Yeah, of course, a lot of companies, I have seen the news, a lot of companies actually buying this dip, and one of the legend, I call him legend, El Salvador, he got like 150 more bitcoins. So yeah, I believe that. Yeah, I read this Polygon Matic FFS. Oh, Martin, I got it. Yeah, love your stuff, brother. Keep it up, Obed. Okay, thank you, Mohammed. Safe Moon, Baby Dose. I think, Mohammed, guy, you are maybe staying with meme coins. Actually, what I will say that meme coins are actually so volatile at this moment. If you look back in 2017, yes, Dogecoin was in the top at the beginning, but later it disappeared. It came back again, and I'm sure it will disappear again. So having said that, like meme coins are very volatile at this moment. So I cannot make comment or give opinion on Safe Moon because it's totally gamble. You just put your money, or like you just gamble. That's it. What you do in gambling, you win or lose. That's pure gamble, because Safe Moon has no use cases, just it's saying it will go to moon, that's all, and people are FOMOing into it. So I'm not going into meme coins. So Holo chain, yeah, Holo I have heard a lot. I thought the same, it's like sleeping giant. So let's look at Holo at the moment. Okay, HH Kitty. So did I miss Polygon? Did I miss VVS? Well, I will talk about VVS because I forgot this the second time I forgot about VVS, Jim. So I will talk about VVS. The music is good. Okay, Phil, thanks, man. Do you think retrace will happen soon and the second leg of? Well, I don't think so, but let's see how, I will wait till Monday and let's see what happens. Faisal, Polygon Matic, request. So, okay, I will go to VVS, then I'll go to request. So let's go to, Holo Chain first. Let's look at market cap. Market cap is almost 2 billion. So yeah, it's good. It's good. Maybe you missed the dip. Yeah, wow, Holo Chain is good right now. Let's go to the graph. Oh my god. What am I seeing over here? It's the same as BTC. So Holo is looking same as BTC. If it goes up, actually you will go up, lower lows. So yeah, I see nothing. You are totally dependent on BTC. So if it goes up, sometimes if it goes sideways from BTC, then it's a different story, but you should follow BTC at the moment for Holo. Yep, it's a good project, sleeping giants, but at the moment you should look at actually BTC. Maybe you missed the dip. 8, wow, 0.008, it's now 1 cent, just 1 cent. It was a good price for Holo. It was, oh, maybe I have missed something in Holo. Let's see. 173 billion. Wow, man, the supply is really big. I don't think like it's worth it, but I have to look at the project because I have heard about it. I know what is holo, but I don't know about the white paper, so I cannot comment right now. But looking at this market cap versus this market circular supply, I am not that hopeful, guys, with holo. Graph is okay, recovering because of BTC, but I don't think it's going that much up. Like highest it was around 1 cent, so yeah, that's good. So let's go into next. Oh yeah, VVS. This thing I don't want to miss because I have to say something about VVS, which I think maybe a lot of you will be heartbroken, a lot of you will hate me from tomorrow, but $115 million of market cap, followed by 897 billion tokens, and it is just 1% of the circular supply. We have 100 trillions over here, and few days ago one day took out almost like $9 million. And I know yield farming, it's very risky. You have like how much, 1600 something APY. Oh my god, can you think about that? Like Fed should, call them, even though I know it's on crow chain. So even though that, I don't know, man, I don't want to comment, but I'm not in VVS actually. Yeah, totally, I'm not in VVS, guys. So actually yesterday I remember somebody commented about me saying bad about VVS. He mentioned that no, VVS is a very good project and this and that, but guys, the first thing I see market cap, second thing is circular supply. That tells me 50% of the story. But if you have heard of SLP, I don't say like, I'm not saying it's similar, but if you look at SLP, I can show you, my Filipino friends will be very happy to see. Look at SLP. I feel really scary and I feel pain, and everything I have I feel inside when I see SLP. Look at this. I'm really scared, man. I don't want to see SLP. So I think VVS, I don't want to comment on that, but yeah, VVS, it depends on you. I don't want to comment on that. So yeah. So Robert is saying no meme people, you will lose. Yeah, definitely I agree with Robert. No use cases. If you, for example, I can give you a very good example. If you buy gold today, so after 1 year you can buy that gold, still it will have value. If you buy, for example, if you go to Paris and buy watch from Paris, and you will tell everybody that look at this watch is from Paris, it doesn't have any brands, it's just the name on it, I'm sure that nobody will buy, because the watch, we don't use watches anymore. We use telephones, mobile phones at this moment of time, or like even smartwatches. So nobody will buy your analog watch. So meme coins are like this. These are like hypes. So this is my thoughts, like, guys, this is my thought. So you might have something else to say. Mana snapped back quick. Buy some mana if you want gains mana. Yeah, of course. Let's look at Decentraland mana. Well, moving average for last 9 days, it's saying something else. Well, our moving average is acting as our support level, so it's really good for mana. And I think like still it's on sale, $4. If it reaches 7-8, you will gain like lot, you will gain a lot. So let's see how much you can gain if you have gotten the dip. 123% minimum, that's good. Mana is good at the moment, it's in sale. If we don't get another slap from BTC, then I think mana is really good, guys. So mana snapback, yeah, I have read this one. I got in at okay, this is pound. I don't know what is pound in euro. because I live inside the Eurozone, and dollar might help, but pound maybe 35 euro cents or $40 cents. Wow, $40 will be really good. Yay, Matic, nice. So yeah, Robert, nice. Haha, Matic. Oh, Matic I have covered. Crow coin is excellent. Robert, Martin, Said, Sand. Okay, Marlocks, ouch. Mohammed, Harmony. Yeah, I will do. Oh, H bar and Harmony coming next. Sandbox is great if you can get in. Yeah, of course, every Metapod project is great. Martin, have you guys been peeking at my portfolio? I'm in Harmony too. Well, I was in Harmony as well. Mana is up 25%. Let's see. I'm still in Mana. Let's see. From the dip. Oh, 65%. If you have gotten into the dip, not 25%, my guy, it's 32% up from the dip. I just woke up in the morning and I thought I'm dreaming. So this is insane. Got in late there though. Yeah, Mana is up. Robert, yep, just got price alert. About what? Oh yeah, price alert. Gala, don't forget guys, it's moving. Yes, of course, Obed. So Phil, yeah, of course, I forgot about Phil request. Okay, same as BTC. Let's look at request. Okay, it's up 11%. What's it doing over here? What is it doing? Wow. Seems everybody is missing the dip here. 49. Okay, let's go to the graph. It's better over there. So over here we have this push towards upward direction. The bottom is here. All right, we're having a strong rejections on this level. On 61 we are having rejections, but we priced at this, then we will get rich there. 74 is next. It's in 60 cents. 74. And if we are good with request, let's see the market cap, then we can see. Whoa, man, this thing is looking good. Graph is absolutely good. So guys, if we can rally above 62, yeah, request is looking good. If same as again, like same thing, if BTC doesn't slap us, then if we can rally above 62, next target is definitely 86. Yeah, request is good. So of course I see 86 if BTC doesn't give us a big slap. Request is good. What happened with request coin? So yeah, Phil, here it is. Request is looking good. Like if you have gotten into request at 46 cents, I think you would have had almost 28% gain. If we fall below 61, then it's looking bad. So the end of the story, if we can rally above 62 for request, then my next price target is 86. If we follow below 61, if we fall down below 60, yeah, I would say 60, then the ultimate target is 41 cents. If under 41 cents, then I think it's going even down, but I don't want to get into that much worst case scenario because it is following BTC, so it's totally dependent on BTC. But having said that, it can go sideways from BTC before. If it can rally above 62, then it can go sideways from BTC and slowly it can move around 85 cents. I don't see any patterns over here forming, so over here, yeah, so if you look into this pattern, you might see 86 cents, even though with Fibonacci and tracement you can see 85-86 cents is our next target for request. Request is doing good, very good. Let's talk about this thing, BTC. Very good. BTC is looking very good, guys. 4-hour chart. This 1-day chart doesn't show me anything, but we are slowly recovering. But always, guys, don't be that hopeful right now, because 50,000 is very easily we will get that point, but we might look like this, right? But I don't want to look at worst case scenario. It all depends on momentum. We should go till Monday. We will decide everything on Monday. Other than that, we are undecided. I will be very happy to see Bitcoin rallies through Monday. So after Monday, if we rally even after Monday, then even we're good. But if we directly go towards upward direction, that's a bad sign, because if we get rejected on 57, minimum 56, then it's going to get into trouble again, 40,000. So having said that, I would love BTC to move slowly, rally around this position, like actually rally around like almost 47 to 53. Yeah, then slowly move towards upward direction would be good, because more it struggles, more it gets stronger towards upward zone. So good shout, Phil Martin. Yeah, Jim was saying something. I learned more from doing this live than anything else so far, especially understanding the short rates on the graphs. Yeah, what I say, guys, everything starts from the basics. If you can follow the basics, you will get all of your answers. And I remember that I have seen a lot of videos, they are saying about, okay, you know, 200 days moving average, 400 days moving average, this Okuchoku. Yeah, of course this is good, but these clouds are very this and that. You should follow this cloud. Damn, no bro, we should like, trading was not that difficult the days before like trading views came in. Like before that it was so simple, about regular indicators, about regular moving average. But these days you have lots of meter, this and that. They made it so complicated, and I see no uses of that. So it's just the showmanship. They just show off their, you know, indicator, that's all. So Request got a partnership with Facebook. Yeah, Request was looking good. Of course, 86 cents from here. Obed and Phil says thank you. My pleasure, Phil. Jim, is Ravecoin anything? It's the top 100 or was? Yeah, I was looking into Ravecoin, but somehow I forgot about it. I will do Rave next, up next. Do you own or like Chainlink? I used to have Chainlink, but right now I don't have, because I transferred most of my portfolio into Bitcoin, into Crow, and many more, because I did some of the shoppings today. I'll do more maybe on Monday, and then maybe on next Saturday and Sunday. So these are my personal opinions. So most of it is on Crowcoin. Then I also have Gala as well. Chainlink, I had Chainlink. I had most profit from that as well. Yeah, I had 3x long Chainlink token. Yeah. Ooh, Chainlink. Looking good. So yeah, same BTC thing, you know, if BTC goes up, it will go up. 200 days saying we should be on 29, it's acting as our support. So yeah, right now it's on sale maybe. Yeah, but best is, to me, I brought more Crowcoin, you know, actually. I staked some. Chainlink is good right now. If BTC goes up, it follows. So most of the coin I'm like looking into today is following Crowcoin, so it's good. So not Crowcoin, sorry, very sorry. It's following Bitcoin. Most of the coins, cryptos are following Crowcoin. Guys, I'll get some water and I'll be back within 1 or 2 minutes, because the mouth is like, you know, I'm drying up. Alright, I'm back with it again. So where was I? In Chainlink. Yeah, so Chainlink looks good, guys. might be we will see more towards upward direction. It's following BTC, that's all. So if BTC hits around 66, I think it will minimum reach towards 30-34, so you can make around like let me check, minimum I say like 29, that means 39%. If it reaches 34, then 64, I see minimum like $8, so you will make like 39% gain. So yeah, let's move on to next. Chainlink is great project. Yeah, of course, it's a very good project. It also have like a good market cap, you know, like almost 9 billion. Wow. And also the market the volume last 24 hours is like 135.27%. the supply is also good. Of course, see, Chainlink is looking good project as well, but the thing is it's following Bitcoin, so Bitcoin gets a slap, it gets as well. If Bitcoin doesn't, then it's going to the moon. Yeah, you know, today Robert, he's mentioned that Crowcoin has so much going for it. Yeah, actually 25th of December they have a match, and we might have more advertisement from there. And also when I was speaking today, I was saying about Crow because I have watched so much news about Crowcoin news, and I read like many new things about Crowcoin, and I will analyze it if it can actually compare, if you can actually compare it with Binance, if it's like the next Binance. I will get into it very soon, but of course I'm heavily into it. Luna is up 70%. Yeah, savage. I'm getting some water. Yeah, Jim, I had 400 in Crow. Then when it was near 54 yesterday, I did another 400. Okay, 54 is a good buy, I guess. I'm so upset about Jasmine. Was one of chart for weeks. Yeah, Jasmine. What I remember from last time, it added some circular supply, right? Who was it? It was Martin, right? I guess Martin will know about it. Definitely it had some kind of circular supply added to the, you know, system, like more something like that, but I don't recall because I was looking into so many cryptocurrencies that I literally forgot Jasmine. Yeah, if it's following BTC, it's going towards upward direction. Of course, I will analyze. Let's read the comment first, then I'll get back into Jasmine. So Martin was upset about Jasmine. Obed pushed the like button. Okay, thanks, man. So Robert, Luna may be one of the best. Yeah, Luna is one of the best. Not maybe, but is one of the best. Robert, one of the best. Jim is like only have 200 left to spend, and my 1200 I had. Okay, so we have to find something for Jim. Smash the like for Robert. Thanks, man. Savage. I believe Gala also has an event coming as well. Yep. Gala also have a event in the near future, as well as if you're aware of the Gala node, you can also earn more Gala and you can actually earn some good money with it. I'm also looking into buying Gala node. So it was savage. Yes, I'm also looking into buying Gala node. So yeah, Gala has actually, at least I believe in Gala. I don't know about anyone, but I think at least this bull run we can make some money out of Gala. So Jim, I texted someone also to let them know about this free live event. Wow, really, Jim? That's so nice of you. Nice. Luna is a good buy even now. Let's see. Okay, Jasmine, and then I'll go into Luna. So Jasmine, 15 minutes? No way. Oh, USDT. No, I don't want to go to USDT. Let's go to Coinbase USD. Okay, so over here, where was our bottom? So this was the top. This was the top. Oh, sorry, I messed up. This was not the top. The top was over here. Okay, so you would say like who would have done that, but I do this just to see where actually it got rejected. So you can see over here Jasmine is getting rejected on 18 cents on average. This I would say like this one is because of BTC, but before that it did not even make through of 0.5. that means we did not even go through that, and 383 is our ultimate resistance level, is in this position. So average we have very rarely touched 26, and at the moment I'm at 14 cents. If Jasmine is good, guys, I didn't say it in videos because a lot of people, they shout at me saying like a lot of hate comments, because I understand that they have invested heavily in Jasmine, but actually the cryptocurrencies which adds up more circular supplies, you will see more inflation, which will cause the price to go down. Same with Alchemy Pay. So if I can be wrong with Jasmine, because maybe they did not add something. So yeah, so I think it's good. Jasmine, I won't invest in Jasmine even though it's super good, but I would like invest in something good like, you know, Crow Coin, because of course Jasmine is good, I cannot deny, but we have very, oh man, I just deleted the chart. So we have resistance point on 19 cents on average, and we're not getting above 24 cents, you can say. Yeah, we closed at 23, but we are not going that much, so it's getting rejected. So you will see like very soon we might stay on 12 cents and rally for a long time. So yeah, that's all for Jasmine. So Martin, Luna is a good buy. I have read this, I guess. Savage, how much does a Gala note go for? Well, Gala note, why I'm waiting for Gala note is because last time Fear and Greed Index, you all saw that there was 73, so I actually sold off all my meme coins and I got out of it, and all of a sudden I was waiting for this dip. I also have some left for me, so that if something happens in future I can get into that. But having said that, I think a node might cost you like 2 to 4,000 USD. I'm not sure, but something around that. But when I got into 77k with BTC, I'm definitely buying one Gala node for sure. So does BNB hit 1k this bull run? BNB, yeah, that's a very good question, guys. So Mohammed, yeah, one of the best questions of the day was, this was the question everybody was asking in the comment section. Also, Haha Kitty was saying my phone crashed when you were talking about Matic. Thank you, and hi from Florida. I like your page, new subscriber. Okay, Haha Kitty, thank you very much. If you're from Florida, I think we live in the other part of the world, around the Baltic Ocean. Right now I can see outside it's like snowing very heavily, and it looks very, very beautiful outside, and I'm doing live all of a sudden. It's sometimes I think about like this. I brought a coin, and I already had a lot of rumors in the market. I have seen everything, so maybe I got into Gala. Yes, this is the point. I got into Gala last maybe 3-4 months ago, and I knew that this thing gonna hit very badly. This will blow up just like Engine Coin. So I thought, let's make a video about Gala. So I just did a video. I just made a video about maybe something. Yeah, I started making video in other channels. So I saw some kind of reaction. So then after that, I was thinking, okay, I don't know, man, this was a crazy idea to start this YouTube channel. like 1 month even, this channel, I was not sure about it. This life is a crazy journey, man. So all of a sudden, you know, late maybe in yeah, it was around last November, I was in this position. I was a little bit greedy. When I was here, I thought like, let's sell something, so I sold actually over here. No, it's fucking BTC. November, yeah, when the election was going on, like Joe Biden won the election. I sold before that just because of uncertainty. You know, you don't know anything about uncertainty, so I sold around November 21. Yeah, around this position, I'm pretty sure it went up, and I was so upset. And right now seeing this, I'm also upset because I also brought over here as well. So overall saying, I'm good because I have made so much from these cryptocurrencies that I'm like so grateful for, you know, like everything I have with cryptos. I had once, I believe that I lost everything back in 2017. I was so hopeful on XRP. I had like 2013, I had BTC, and I went into some people's, you know, thoughts. I was newbie in 2013 and I did mistakes on 2017. I learned from my mistakes, and I'm sure that I don't want to do that mistakes, and I don't want you to do those mistakes as well, guys. We have this kind of lows, that is why we have this kind of highs. We'll also have this kind of lows, that is why after a few days we will have, you know, 77 or 80,000, maybe 77, 70,000, who knows. But we have lows, that is why we have highs. That's how it goes, you know. Life is like a flow. So yeah, I was a little bit nostalgic. I sold my Bitcoin. I still regret. So having said that, Robert, hello from Florida. Thank you, Robert. Hello. Who Bitcoin HT will be goodbye. Okay, I'll have a look. You're right about Jasmine. I got in on 28 but didn't sell. But yeah, Martin, I wanted to ask you one thing, that they did add some kind of circular supplies into Jasmine, right? Just if you know about this, because as far as I remember, they did add up some circular supplies. So Martin's answer is complete. Phil, you're the man, bro. Thanks for the great analytical analysis. Thank you, Phil. My pleasure. St. Louis, Jim, never come here. Why you are not not happy in St. Louis? But this part of the within Baltics, it's good in winter, man. It's like almost minus 20 now, and you feel like, I don't know, it's something else. The feeling is different. I'm in New York City here. I heard like New York is the place to live. You know, a lot of people in Europe, they find it so, they want to be in New York, they want to be in America, and guys who are living in America, they want to live in Europe. So this is kind of I don't know how to describe. This is some kind of theory, how to say, conspiracy theory. Wow, thank you for reading my comment. I really like this live. Haha kitty. Of course, why not? You guys are writing, I should read, right? Obed, let's go. Brandon. Yeah, of course, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, they did. Yeah, Martin, thanks. That answers, you know. I was thinking that they have added up some circular supplies. That is why we will have inflation, and they never goes up. So you're right, Martin. I brought Crow at 0.5, sold at what? Obed, what? I just read your comment. You brought Crow at 50 cents and you sold it at 20. What? How is that possible? So 50 cents would be around here, and we didn't get 20, but I think you you brought it at 5 cents and maybe you sold it at 20. That is what I did when Dogecoin was at 5 cents. I bought Dogecoin. Somebody told me that, bro, this is going to zero, this will never have $1 billion of market cap, or what they were saying, this will never go to $1, this will never go to 50 cents or something like that. They were saying it will go to zero, meme coin, no basics, nothing. And actually it hit 50 cents just because of Elon Musk pumped it towards, you know, moon. So yeah, hats off to Elon Musk. So they may recover the week that they formed provided liquidity. Yeah, I think the same. Yeah, 5 cents sold on 20 cents. Obed, feel your pain, I made so much mistakes. Well, the story is I was buying lots of coins from crypto.com. So I had like lots of crows last year in my wallet. So when I go towards crypto.com wallet, now I see lots of, you know, crow coin in there. So the price went up. When I look at my wallet right now and the application, I'm really happy that I didn't take those out, because I thought like, okay, I will have nothing to do with those crow coins. That is why I left it out. So if you compare with Binance, I will show you something very interesting about crow coin. So yeah, that's, I think I was an early and I did not move. So yeah, everything happens, man. Like I brought like Bitcoin at very cheap price. I did mining, I sold as well. Now I regret as well. So this is where you learn and you grow up and you do your next gains. So this happens, man. Wow, we have a new guy commenting that, hey, I bought crow at 9. Guys, have you bought at 9 or 9 cent, Jack? So he just wrote 90 cents. So I kicking myself as well. Maybe you have brought it 9 cents, right? So haha kitty, Obed, yeah, haha kitty as well. We all know the pain, man. So Jack, I don't know, Jack, if you have brought it on 9 cents or 90 cents. Hassan is saying that, how much crow do you have? 60% of my wallet is full of crow, and not selling it before April, I guess. I will see what happens after April, but I'm super bullish on crow. I know where to go. So let's compare Binance coin with our crow. Binance, $94 billion of market cap, and market cap for last 1 month is going down. 100 billion towards, whoa, 89 billion, $10 billion. Whoa. It was, last time I was doing BNB, it was 600. I thought like it's going towards 700, but instead because of BTC it's like on 500 now. So first of all, I will go to BNB. Sorry, so let's get in to BNB graph USD. So we are on 4 hours range with BNB, and let's go 4 hour range with crow coin. So of course guys, you can let me know anything in the comment section. I will join you guys with the comments in the comment box as well. So BNB is 566. We had this drop. Wow, BNB was looking good. We were super bullish, and all of a sudden Bitcoin went down. This also went down. So, and also guys, when actually BNB started, look at the price. You will be kicking your head on the wall. Look at this. I even saw it was on $2, you know, back Back in 2017 it was $2. Maximum people thought, okay, it's going to $10 max. It went towards 36. People panicked. They were like, oh my god, this went to $30. This can be happening. Overpriced. It went towards 16. A lot of people sold, and all of a sudden, look at this, 600. Just think of it that you had just maybe 10 BNB, and just right now you could have like 6,000, like 6 grand in hand. So that's good. So same thing with Crowcoin. You see this one, right, guys? It was around $2. The same thing with Crowcoin. It was around even less. I saw it last time, it was even less than what I see over here. Yep, 2020 it was so less that I didn't even care for, yeah, 7 cents. Okay, so if it was at 7 cents at that time, I thought, like, I also neglected like Crowcoin. So right now it's on 56 cents. Even if it goes towards $5, I would say it's like underrated, right? Because if you look at Binance, if it can go this much, like from what, $2 towards maybe 600, not even 600, we are something around this position, guys, with Crowcoin. You know, it went to 30. Everybody thought we are at the top. So if you look at Crowcoin, we were at 93. Everybody thought this is the peak. So right now we are having a pullback. So you see Crowcoin, if this Binance was at 36, went to 16, almost the same thing with Crowcoin. I'm not like comparing the two graphs, but this is my hypothesis. I'm just thinking inside that this could happen. If this can go like towards 600, and if this can easily go towards maybe $6, yeah, so it won't be that bad. You know, we just have to reach towards Cardano market cap. Yeah, having said that, let's go into Cardano, because I wanted to do Cardano for a long time. And yeah, do you guys feel pain when you look at Cardano? Because I have Cardano in my wallet and it's going down. I thought personally that it has some kind of security issues. The recent update, you have seen that Cardano has some kind of security issues with it, and that is why it's not going towards upward direction. Also, BTC is slapping the market so hard that everything is going down. So yeah, let's read the comment and then we'll get back into Cardano. So let's see, just a moment, I will read the comments, guys. So I'll go from the top. Haha, Kitty and Obed, these guys are talking. Video is clear for me. Okay, who was saying that video was not clear? Okay. Oh, Jack brought it on 90 cents. That's cool. That's cool, Jack. You have, I feel bad even though for you, because your portfolio might be 50% down, but don't worry, maybe within February you will recover. But 90 cents, yeah, I think you didn't see the graph. Yep, but you FOMO'd in. But yeah, nobody expected, we all expected it will go towards $1.10. Instead it went down. It's not even your fault. It's BTC which, you know, dragged us towards this position. That is why today I'm talking to you, and yeah, and you're talking to me, and we are all friends now, Jack. So don't worry, I also had this kind of stuffs, and I went, you know, within a blink of eyes I made those gains. I'm still proud of myself of leaving some of the meme coins and getting back into the alts. I think like that's my learning point. And also not believing into market rumors and also the news. I analyze now myself, so I know more about, you know, everything before buying a coin. So don't worry, Jack, you will recover. We'll hit $1.10. You can take your profit with this and everything if you want. So somebody was saying bots. Jim, oh yes, bots. Are there free ones or it's worth spending on? Yeah, you can have trading bots. You have to pay some fees, Somebody, Robert, has 1018 crow coins. That's good. Your video is not clear. Okay, so guys, do you think the video is clear, or I should adjust somehow? Because one person, I don't know, informer, he said that he mentioned that video is not clear. What do you think? Mana long term? Of course I think mana long term. Memoroids, yeah. I was feeling extra bullish and thought if it hit $1 would explode. Live and learn, I guess. Jack, I was feeling extra bullish. Yeah, of course we all felt bullish. Still it's bullish, but it's BTC, you know, we are influenced by BTC. That is why we are going down. So don't worry, Jack. I feel your pain. Haha Kitty, of course. Haha Kitty, where are you at? Video clear for me. Oh, video is clear. Oh, Haha Kitty is from Florida. Do you have snows in Florida? Good night, folks. Robert, good night, man. Marlocks, wow. Sunshine State, nice. Crow are in F1. Yeah, they are also in F1, getting free advertisement everywhere. And they are buying stadiums, a list of celebs doing adverts. Yeah, I was so surprised. I've never seen like this much of advertisement for a crypto. If it can flip Binance, the guy who will be the happiest is me. But we have to go a long way. We need at least 5 years to, you know, get above of Binance. If this kind of advertisements happens, marketing happens, then I think we will reach there within 2-3 years, but it will take some time because Binance has done some great projects and they are also doing some great projects. Even though I'm not happy with Binance formula because they are letting every coin, meme coins, to get into their platform, so that's bad. Just there are a lot of coins pump and dumps. Savage, Gala jumped 40% after yesterday's dip. Oh yes, of course, Gala is good. Martin, ADA looks super bearish. Captain, can you do a live chart on future trading on KuCoin? Of course I will do. Captain swing. Jim, good. I got 100 Gala yesterday. $100 Jim Gala. Okay, Savage, I had Gala and sold, didn't make much. Yeah, it was at 12 cents when I was looking into Gala. Someone named Informer said video was not clear. Yeah, video was not clear, somebody was saying, but I don't know, guys, let me know. But Haha Kitty said that video is clear, so let's see. BTC can dip more. Okay. So Martin, video is fine. Thanks, Martin. Okay, so let's read the Martin's comment out. So it's not just the securities issue with ADA, just hard for devs, and its governance is truly solid, but it's so hard for devs to get hyped about. But I'm hating, I still got some ADA. Yeah, I still believe in ADA. It's the same situation with if you compare with XRP last year. So I'll get into you with this thing. So let's see, let's comment out something. Oh, this Raj, this guy is also in Slack. He does everything in Slack, not Slack, what I'm saying, Slack, Discord. This guy is doing everything in Discord. Yeah. So Obed, my children will play Sandbox and Mana Gala games in next 10 years. Okay, that's what I'm thinking, Obed. Yeah. I think Gala is severely underpriced at 60 cents, of course. Here we have a new guy, Sam Aaron. Look at Elon, big sell-off. Yeah, I looked at Elon. But yeah, Raj, welcome to the live. My look at Elon. Yeah, of course, ADA will 7x. Let's see. Crow entry point. So let's look at what was Raj saying. We got rejected. Let's see. let's see what BTC. So BTC, where are you? Mm, 1 hour. Let's see where we get rejected. Where we are getting rejected. Okay, so let's go with normal fib over here. So even though this dip is not actually 100% valid, because this is actually a manipulation, so this might not be valid, but still, even if I fit this what the, I have to get in. Even if I fit it in over here, I see that there are some rejections at where 0.5 level we have some rejections. Let's see 1 hour graph, we see some rejections. Let's see RS. Wow, we should not have that. Okay guys, so yeah, Raj, you're right, somehow we are getting rejected over here in our 0.5. that means 49,583. we're getting 49,500, we're getting rejected. Let's see if we can bounce back towards maybe 47, and then we can go towards maybe 51. That's good, that will be good. But I see we're getting towards minimum 54 from here. 54 we should get in minimum. So yeah, let's look at this portion, this position. I think soon we will break out of this 0.5 and go towards upward direction. Yep, 0.5 we are having some trouble at the moment, but it's only 1 hour chart, so let's see. It's 1 hour is nothing, so it may be time for the live. Okay, so just join. Why not VVS? Good. Okay, I will answer you again. VVS, actually I don't see it has like big market caps, and also 1,600 APY. And coming back to that, there was dev issues. Somebody was taking $9 million, and also about there are a lot of things about manipulation and stuff. And if you look at the circular supply, 1% is almost 800 billion. I smell SLP there, so that is why I'm saying that it's good, but depends on you. I don't want to comment in VVS because something is wrong here, guys. Even if it hits $1 someday, I will never get into VVS for sure, because 116 and it's struggling to even get into 116. And look at this, 1% of the circular supply is of 897 billion. Wow, so this is so much for me to bear. So VVS, I'm not into it, so you can decide, but this was just my opinion. So yeah, informer, I just informed. Yeah, this is why I think like this VVS is not for me. I see like a lot of guys have lots of different opinions, but I have my own opinion. But I'm not getting into VVS, just the, you know, how it goes. I think there are not that much comments, guys. If you still have some comments, you can let me know. Okay, so Haha Kitty has Crow coin, and this guy is nervous. Let's see. Let's get back into Crow. I love analyzing because big portion of my market wallet is filled with Crow coin, so I cannot deny. Okay, the entry point depends on you, man. So because I previously mentioned, a lot of people have brought Crow coin at 54. There has been a lot of comments, and also in Discord I see a lot of people buying Crow coin at 54. So that, I think you have missed the entry point. So we might see a small correction because of BTC, but let's see how this thing goes, because if BTC has this 49,000 resistance, it was just 1 hour market cap, so I'm not that worried about it. But let's see how time goes. 4 hour chart, main thing is on Monday. If Monday stock market goes up, we have to see how stock market works on Monday. So if it goes up, then we will be hopeful. Okay, Martin, so I was really into DOT. Polkadot is really good, and got into Moonbeam para auction. Okay. Raven, Jim was talking about Raven, and well, I have to answer Informer. Just a moment. So Irishman here, Irishman Eric has 550 Crow coin. That's good. So Informer, look at this guy. So Crow coin is lately marketing, like crypto.com actually marketing their company for last, like how to say it, like throughout last month. And you know that stadium they brought, and also it's not about the stadium, it's about how they're improving in their project. They are bringing more and more use cases in their projects, which makes it more valuable. So it's about the more value it's adding for the people. So in that case, I think Crow coin is doing really good, and this dip is just because of BTC. If you look at here, we were actually very bullish, even though we actually hit the top in this position 97. We were thinking it will go towards 110, but suddenly BTC had this crash, and we had to go down because we were influenced by BTC. So to be honest, I see Crow coin has a long future, same as Binance BNB I mentioned last time. So yeah, I think that will answer you, because I think this is just because of BTC over here. So it will go up. It's a good entry position at 54 it had, but I still think like it's in sale right now. I was thinking about Matic also. Yeah, Matic I have followed. Call. Yeah, Matic I have followed already. Martin, I liked your comment. Fortune favors the brave. You have to be brave in the war, you know. And also Matic or Crow, I think both. Matic has its own way of you, like Matic is unique on its own way, and Crow coin is unique on its own way. So both has its own uniqueness. So I think like both are good. I should have both Matic and Crow coin in my wallet, so I already have that. I also have Polygon Matic, so I'm good. I'm both I'm bullish on Matic and Crow coin both. Okay, Informer, you're welcome. One kitty. So which one has more potential? So I think the both. I cannot compare Matic with Crowcoin, but I would say Crowcoin I see from 5 years time reaching a position. I might see Matic will do the same, but Crow has more possibilities to go towards upward direction. Wow. Okay, so I see you have both, but it's good. It's good that you have both. VeChain to $1? Really? How is that possible? That's VeChain reached $1. That's weird. Let's see. No, it's not 9 cents. It did not reach $1. Who was it? It was Obed. Oh, I think he was saying that it will reach $1, then it has to reach $60 billion of market cap. For VeChain, if you look at the graph from 2019, the peak was over here, like 25 cents. I think VeChain can highest reach towards 48 cents is most. Like the most will hit the top. I think the top for VeChain. Let's see. I'm so hangover right now. Okay guys, so let's see what VeChain is doing for us. Almost 2 o'clock. Wow, I feel so good right now. Almost 2 o'clock snowing, so it can be better. Okay, we fell down as well, same as BTC. When VeChain is doing same as BTC, you will feel something different. So let me analyze this one. So let me find the top and the bottom. Okay, so we have our major resistance level on 15 cents and also 15 cents. So from here I think if it bounces back it will go towards maximum 18 cents, and then if it will have another pullback, then it will come back towards 12. Yeah, I think like for VeChain 22 cents, I see it's possible in upcoming time, like in March, maybe 22 cents. Yeah, that's possible. So it depends on many things though, many factors. If Bitcoin does well, that will be a thing. Okay, Savage is thinking about NKN. You're welcome, Kitty. Yeah, if it has partnership with Walmart, there was one fake news before about partnership with Walmart, but I don't know how legit this news is about VeChain going towards dollar or having partnership with Walmart. I have to look into it deeply. Okay, Informer. Well, everything is dependent on Monday because the markets in Europe and also in the US, I think also in India, I don't know, but in everywhere market will open on Monday, and most probably major two markets are in US and Europe, both will open on Monday. So you have to look how the stocks are doing on Monday. If you see some positive signs on the stock market, you are sure that we are bouncing back in cryptos as well. So that is the first thing we have to see on Monday. But having said that, I think I have seen a lot of stocks today which were on sale, so I was eyeing into that, but I felt a little bit greedy and I was eyeing into the cryptos as well. So I think that answers for Informer. It's almost 6 p.m. here for Jim, and thanks for doing this. I will Bluetooth you now and not be able to type. Nice spending time with everyone, great listening. Okay Jim, yeah, for sure. It's almost 2 o'clock over here. I'm just, first live. I'm just enjoying. I'm so nervous. I don't know what I'm saying. Hangover and everything included. I don't know what I'm doing, even though, so this is just this kind of things today. BTC going to 280k. Okay, 280k. I don't think this is going this year or even 2022. I think next March or April I can see 77k, and maximum I can see 108k in this bubble time. In this bull run I see only 108k maximum. We don't go above that in my calculation, but if it goes, I will be really surprised. But 280, it's too much, I guess, because a lot of people will be millionaires, not millionaires, billionaires. So I don't think it's going that far in this bull run. So yeah, of course, Martin, we should hold till the end. Okay, now comes the interesting questions, like, so are you guys waiting for Shiba? That's nice. I will go into Shiba charting right now after this. I'm enjoying right now. What? Okay, so yeah, sheep. So Obed was saying BTC is pumping. Somebody got a 48, Martin on 55, Shiba, and Informer wants to know about Ethereum. So let's go into Shiba and then Ethereum, and then we will end this live. So let's see where we are going from this direction over here. Shiba, wow. I feel sorry for you guys because I also had Shiba and I sold off like way before, because when I saw something like lower lows, I was sure that Shiba, it's time to go down. So when I had this pump and we did not cross previous higher highs, that was the indication that I should get rid of Shiba. So after that I was really happy when I left Shiba. Right now I feel really good that I left Shiba at that moment, but I made more than 10 grand from Shiba alone. So this was when in my bad times Shiba was the savior, so that's good. Okay, so from here, if okay, let me analyze this one. So I'll see what's happening over here. Okay, somebody was saying they brought it from 55. I think Martin. Yeah, Martin was saying that he got it from 55. So so I see the major resistance for SHIB is on, yeah, in this level 382. Maximum cryptos I'm seeing right now, they are getting rejected on 382 position. So I see it's really bad sign, and if Shiba goes above 58, then I will say Shiba is bullish. But right now Shiba is bearish, guys. See, Shiba still is bearish. It was trying to get up, but this BTC slapped it again, and right now you can see it went around 2.8. Wow, unbelievable. Of course, you're welcome, Kitty. So Obed, yeah, thank you for doing review. I missed huge about, yeah, of course. 6 to 9 trillion crypto market cap. Yeah, of course, it depends on you. It's actually, if she acts like Dogecoin back in 2017, it trended and all of a sudden it disappeared. And if now it's like 2021, 2022, if it disappears, it doesn't matter, it will come back again, I'm pretty sure. So it will have one more bull run, and it will have one more peak to go. So I think around 9.8, I mentioned in last video that it has one more jump to go. It will pump up again, I'm pretty sure. So as Elon, I think like they have like one more pump left for themselves. Guys, I'm like super nervous as well as a little bit hungover, feeling sleepy. I don't know. So this was Shiba, and there was something else I should do. One more. There was one more. Okay, so Nish and Martin will hold it forever. Obed as well. So Obed bought it on 48. Irishman, would you dump 11 million Shiba for Screwcoin? Okay, that's a tricky question. Well, I would say the guys who are commenting, you guys should answer. Who asked this question actually? This is really interesting question, guys. Irishman. So you guys should answer. Irishman, like, should he dump 11 million sheep for Crowcoin? The answer relies. I don't know the answer, man. I don't know. I don't know. But having said that, if I wouldn't have invested in Shiba, I would have invested in like Crowcoin for a long term for sure. My pick will be with Crowcoin 100%, but I don't know about you. You might have your own opinion. So yeah, thanks Kitty MS. So I think you said Ethereum, yeah. So yeah, so let's go with Ether. So yesterday, or maybe day before yesterday, when Bitcoin was going down, so and Ethereum was breaking out of its inverse head and shoulder, and it was looking good. So yeah, inverse head and shoulder, it broke out, and all of a sudden BTC. Well, day before yesterday, I was so happy looking into Ethereum that it was not following BTC. It was going up. It broke down the head and shoulder. What am I saying? Inverse head and shoulder, and then all of a sudden, it was like going towards upward direction. I was so happy. All of a sudden, this morning, flash crash. I was so shocked. So after that, I think Ethereum is on discount, to be honest. Yeah. See, if you look at BTC, you have to do the BTC as well. Otherwise, otherwise you will not get the point. Oh, so if you zoom in and if you look into BTC 4 hours chart, you will see that we have this bullish engulfment, which is a very good sign. And if we have like 1 or 2 more green wicks, that will be the best for BTC. But after having 2 green candles, look at this one red, but for Ethereum it didn't go like this. So it's almost the same. I will not say that it's different, it's almost the same, but overall I think Ethereum will go sideways from BTC if stock market goes up on Monday. So having said that, I see easy 4500. Right now it's on 4100, 4500 very soon, and very soon it's going towards 4800. So yeah, my target is 5059 for upcoming time. That is almost how much drop we had. We had 24% and 32. That means what? Yeah, so we can easily expect $5,050 for Ethereum, and if you compare right now, it's on 4100. Almost we get like from this direction, from today we will get almost 20%. Yeah, Crow will give me even more. So yeah, but if you are looking into long term, Ethereum is the best. So for me, of course, Crow coin comes first, and then Bitcoin, then Crow coin, and then others. So yeah, you will get like 22% profit if you get into Ethereum. I think very soon you will get it, like maybe within end of December or first half of January. So that's looking good. If BTC, guys, everything is dependent on Monday. Yeah, haha, Kit is right, everything is dependent on Monday. So yeah, of course. So, and also, yeah, one guy is saying, Obed, yeah, look, 55k first quarter of 2022. Yes, that's possible. I am always living with reality. I don't see 25k the first quarter of 2022, because from here it will be, I don't see. Actually, look guys, I have seen a lot more reality with crypto worlds. I only see, like, I don't FOMO something that is, I don't hype. So I see only like maybe 5,000 in upcoming in January. Maybe this bull run, I would say maybe around 12,000 with Ethereum, but 25k is that a lot. 25k, even 12k, I don't want to compare, but 25k is so much. I don't know, I just don't know, because my target is like 12,000 is maximum Ether can go, but not above that. So everything is happening on Monday. Yes, Kitty. Yeah, so if you have a diverse portfolio, so what could happen is, if you look at NFTs gaming, so if you go there, oh shit, sorry. So if you see the NFTs over here, then you should have actually diverse portfolio. If you look at GALA, 13% up from the last dip. If you have like something that actually forks Ethereum, you should have that. A diverse portfolio will give you more gains. That is what I have, a diverse portfolio. because if BTC is like going down, then Ethereum or others will go up, for example Luna or even Solana. So you must have diverse portfolio in cryptos. Yeah, everybody hates Mondays. Well, Martin Kitty has a point. Yeah, of course. What about VVS? Well, I have mentioned VVS previously. I'm not into VVS. Solana, I guess we have covered Solana as well. Obed, yeah, February, March bull run ends. Maybe April. What do you say? Do you have a holding and exit strategy in a pie chart? Yeah, I have, not in a pie chart, but I have some strategies as well. I follow day-to-day graph, and also I have some strategy and exit point how I will exit crypto. So I have long-term plan. Let's see how it goes in December, then maybe I will share with all of you in January. What? Are you sure, guy? Ethereum to 25. I have to go back to Ethereum again. This guy will cut his finger if Ethereum doesn't go that far. Okay. Dude, do you know how far we have to go from here? We should have, if this much gives us 5,000, for example 500 billion, then 1 trillion will give us 10,000. So 2 trillion, that means we have to get the current market cap. So I don't think 25,000 is possible this bull run. This answers for Obed, I guess. But I don't know, what do you guys think about Ether going to 25k? Yeah, Savage, I think the same, man. Ethereum, I don't see it going towards 25k. If it does, I should stop doing this, lives and videos and crypto trading, everything. But yeah, it can go. You never know, guys. You never know. It can go. Everybody will boycott Bitcoin and they will jump into Ethereum. Everything changes in a bit. So, of course. Okay, so Informer that we every time has bubble, and I will show you in another chart. We have, let's move into BTC and I will show you what does it mean. Maybe for example, this was quarter 1 and this was quarter 2. This is just for example, and in the middle we have acquisition period, and there are also some time where we should take the profit as well, right? And you have always seen that crypto went into bubble when it was the time of uncertainty, or if there was like recessions or even whatever it came, or there was hype. In the total period, you can consider a bull run, or even you can consider it as a long term or short term. It depends on you. So this bull run, I don't know when it will end, but every bull run, if it goes till 2025, Ethereum will go towards 25,000. I'm sure for that. Well, Obed, right now, if you look at current Bitcoin, current cryptocurrency market cap, we have only 2.3. including meme coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything, or everything including is 2.3k trillion. So what was the question? 2 trillion for ETH. So 2 trillion will take another bull run for Ethereum, that's for sure. I see. Look, right now we are standing on $4,000 and we have the market cap of almost, let's say, 500 billion. So with 1 trillion we will get into 8,000. With 1.5 trillion we will go towards 12,000. Let's look at BTC now. So BTC doesn't have $1 trillion market cap at the moment, but it had 1 trillion previously, and it was the peak 1.29 trillion. So it was the peak. For Ethereum to go that far will take a long time for sure. But adding $1 trillion of market cap into cryptocurrencies takes a long time for sure. Yeah, bears will come, of course. Well, crypto is a wild run, Informer. You go up, you go down, you get like so much money that you cannot resist yourself. Even if you are in stock market, your stock goes like a turtle. But if you are in crypto, you will make such a good amount of money in a short time. That is why it is so volatile, and it's also going up and down very fast. That's also a reason that crypto is actually, everyone is in crypto. That's also a reason. Yeah, it did not end yet, but we don't know when it will end. It might end at 2023. I don't know. Nobody knows when it will end. You will definitely know. But yeah, Martin said a good thing. What we do is, if you're in doubt, you can always zoom out and analyze yourself. Sometimes I do it regularly, because I'm in doubt regularly. Like this today, it dropped so much. I was zooming out and looking into the graph and thinking like, what went wrong here? So you should do it as well. Well, we have almost 400 millions of people who actually are accepting cryptos, trading cryptos, or doing some kind of events with cryptos. 400 million. So if you want to make it 800 million, that will take almost minimum 1 more year. Even if you want 1 billion, that will take 1.5 to 2 more years. So for that, it takes a long time if you want to do mass adoption, because feds are against, all the governments are against cryptocurrencies, because you cannot regulate these cryptocurrencies, and everyone, like every government doesn't want to give their money into some other people's hand. They want to control their own money. Informer, no, I'm not from Pakistan. I would like more lives this. I would like more lives like this. Was great. I learned a lot. Explained BTC and Ethereum. Well guys, my pleasure. I'm enjoying as well. Today was a little bit weird for me because I was hungover. I was so nervous, and I don't know what I am doing at the moment, but of course in future it will be something different. I will not be nervous anymore because this was my first live, and I actually don't know how to even, I don't have any words at this moment, because the first time are always memorable. And for me, of course, because actually we didn't had that much snow over here. When even if before, if I go 1 month ago, then there was not much snow, but today it's like snowing heavily, and I'm doing live watching outside, it's like full of snow. It's like totally different scenario for me. So I will never forget about this first live. So of course you guys also be remembered, because I know this Irishman, Informer, Gaul, Martin, Haha Kitty, and everyone, so I know all of you. So Obed as well, Savage. So yeah, it was my pleasure talking to all of you guys, because I also enjoyed this live. You never know, all of a sudden. Okay, so if it was okay, like I will try to come to lives more often, and I will be more frank, and I can do it without being nervous. So let's see what happens. Nice. Well, don't thank me. I would like to thank you guys for staying in this live and also listening to me. I was so boring, I know, because just blushing and stuff. So thank you to you guys for being in this live for such a long time. But if I come tomorrow, let's see, like I will let you know in the channel. So it was so much fun to have you guys. So having said that, guys, the last thing I would like to say, okay, yeah, so I will gonna extend a little bit more. Hangovers are working, yeah, of course. I feel so sleepy. Yeah, of course. So here, I don't know what Obed is saying. 2 fingers are on the line. Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. I will come back to you, Obed. I know you, and I will come back to you for sure. Okay, so everyone, Martin, Irishman, Obed, also Haha Kitty, Informer, Gaul, so Savage also. So thank you very much, you guys, for listening to me and watching this live for a long time, and hope to see you guys tomorrow. And also one last thing, invest carefully, because we are in a critical time, uncertain time. Everybody is going into cryptos, buying some meme coins. But what I would suggest is, from my experience in 2013 and 2017, you should go into something which is established in the market, because in the past I have seen many coins disappear. Also, if you look at XRP, it was on the second position, so it disappeared. So you have to be on something that you believe is a great project, because a lot of people says these days projects doesn't matter, which matters is money and trend. This is not true. If you have, maybe crypto goes down, if you have a lot of money, you would like to wait. But if it disappears like next bull run, you will lose all of your money. So what you should do, you should find a project which you really believe in. I believe in, for example, Crowcoin, because it's an exchange. It will last because it will have a lot of cryptos. People can go in crypto.com and buy cryptos they like, so it will stay there forever. I hope so. I'm not sure, but I hope so. So you have to find something. I'm not saying that you have to buy Crowcoin, but you have to find something which has strong support, which has more visions, more use cases. You should go into those instead of going for meme coins. So that might save you a lot of money, and you can you can actually see some green marks in your wallets. So having said that, guys, it was my pleasure. I had so much fun with you guys. Hope to see you in the next day. Thank you very much for watching, and none of this was financial advice.